this from the cookie countess. I just opened it. But it's so pretty. Very professional. Just opened it though. And I thought I would film the opening of it.
It runs on clean electricity. A city that's powered by sun, wind, and energy from the earth. Con Edison is committed to turning that dream
Got my
into reality.
coffee mug,
Clean energy
cocoa mug,
from South Brooklyn to Northwest Chester.
and
Con
a little
Edison is helping build a future where there's clean
bit,
energy for all. Now,
like a
for generations to come.
house boot. Okay. Got my Bobo sticks, tweezers, and big tweezers. Got my pipeless bags. Oh, they're pretty big. Ooh, those are huge. I don't know what size this is, but like that. I got my sunburst stencil. Fun facts. We can watch over and over again. It's a Breakfast Club. Thank you for your order. This nice sugar cookie recipe. Tips and tricks. Items. I got the ice and transfer sheet practices for $9. Pretty good price. Bubble stick in that. Okay. This is like Christmas morning. I feel like it's Christmas morning. So professional. Thank you, Cookie Countess. I know you're in a group somewhere. Sweet Elite Christmas patterns. Santa, Santa. I got all the Christmas patterns. Trace. Ace and transfers. And I got all of those. So we're making these well into January because it's already late, but it's all good. It's practice. And it will help. I figured this would help me to do better on bigger cookies, because if you can make those little transfers, detail them, and have control of the piping tip or the bag, then you could do big ones, right? You could do little ones. You can do little teeny tiny details like that. You could do big ones on the cookie. And I ought to be to that. So yeah, so that's everything. This has, oh my bad, I don't know how many pages. 12 pages. 12 pages. Oh, snowman, a light bulb, everything.